God damn it, if you can't win a debate with what you're going to say, win it by getting your nipples out. That's what I say. This cauliflower, they call it a steak. I have 2 gun dogs. They're black Labradors. We go about the countryside in the morning. I have a child, actually, who's a farmer as well. But as we maraud the countryside, molesting the vermin in our path, you want to show this to my gun dogs and tell them it's a steak. And they'll look at you exactly like the idiot that you are.